Hello all my dear students, welcome back your online classes. This is your Tejip sir my dear students, and this is the fourth maths class. In last session we had done exercise number 12E. Exercise number 12E. Got my point all of you my dear students, what I am telling you? So we have to write this all things my dear students. Understood? So in last session we have done a complete one question, and then in this session we are going to learn a new question number 2, application in real life. Today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn exercise number 12E, question number 2, exercise number 12E, question number 2, application in real life. Got my points all dear students? And before starting our session, sit properly my all dear students and take out your important things. Fair book, rough book and compass box, keep it with you all dear. Compass box, keep it with you all dear students. Do fast. Got my point? So before starting our session, I am going to present today's quote, and then after we will move on further. So let's check my dear all students today's quote, and then after we will move on further. So I am going to present here today's quote. So let's check here my dear students, what is today's quote? Today's quote is we have to do work hard in silence. Work hard in silence, let a success make the noise. Let the success make a noise. Got my points all of you? Note down these things in your book dear all. I hope you all are understood my dear students. We have to do the work hard in the silence, let the success make the noise. This is today's quote. Now then further what we are going to do, note down these things dear in your book. Do fast, start writing all. I'll give you time all my dear students, you have to write. So my dear students, this is today's content. So let's check what is the today's content, and note down this today's content in your book my dear all students. Do fast. Do fast all my dear students. I hope you all are understood my dear students. So first of all you have to mention over there chapter number 12. You have to mention over there chapter number 12. Okay, chapter number 12, you have to mention over there chapter number 12 my dear students. Exercise number 12E. Exercise number 12E. Got my points? And then after, what is the question number 2? You have to mention over there chapter number 2, application in real life. Got my points all dear students? Note down these things in your book dear. I hope you all are understood. Do fast all dear. Second question, you have to also write the second question, application in real life. My dear students, put a heading again. You have to mention heading over there. Exercise number 12, question number 2, application in real life. Then I am going to start our session, my dear students. So now I am going to start further, my dear students, for question number 1. So let's check the question number 1. First of all, we are going to write the question number 1. What is the question number 1, my dear students? So question number 1 is what? Varun. First of all, you have to write the instructions over there. application in real life. So start writing, all my dear students. Start writing over there first. Do fast, all dear students. And then we will move on further, my dear students. So Varun's exam began on March 17 and get over on March 29th. And how long are his exam? Do fast, all dear students. Varun's exam begins on 17th March and get over on March 29th. How long are his exam? Do fast, dear all. And then further we have to write the process over first. Okay, 17th March to 29th March. First of all, now I am going to start the answer. So first of all, we have to write the days in March. How many days in March, my dear students? 31 or 30 days? So in March, 31 days. So first of all, we are going to write March has how many days over there? March has 31 days. Got my point? First point is what? March has 31 days. How many days, all my dear students? 31 days. And then after further, we are going to start day in March. Okay? So first of all, what we have to write here, that there are how many days, my dear students? From 17th till 17th to 29th March. Okay, dear all students, so we are going to count that days: 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. So there are how many days over there? 13 days. 13 days. Got my points, my dear students? How many days? 13 days. And there are 16 days from, means what we have to write the answer? We have to write the answer as like that, all my dear students. We are going to write the answer as like that form. There are how many days, my dear students? There are 13 days. 13 days from 17th March to 29th March. Start writing this answer, dear all. Do fast. Okay, this is answer number A. Arun has 31 days, 17th to 29th March. 17th is get over on March 29. How long are his exams? So this is called the application in real life. Understood, all of you, my dear all students? Do fast. Do fast, all of you. I hope you all are understood and note down the answer, dear. And then further we will move on further. Okay, my dear students, again I am going to repeat for you all. Arun's exam begin on March 17th and get over on March 29th. Get over on March 29th. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find how long are his exam. What we have to find? We have to find how long are his exam. Okay, so first of all we have to write the month of the days. So March month is over there. So answer is first. March has 31 days. March has 31 days. How many days, my dear students? March has 31 days. And 17th March to 29th March, there are 13 days. So answer is what? Answer is there are 13 days from 17th March to 29th March. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. Do fast. Understood all? Now I am going to present a second question. What was the second question? Here is the name of the one girl. Meghna started knitting a muffle on a Republic Day. If she is finishing knitting it on the February 29th, so how long did she take to knit it? Okay, means here only we have a one day, but Republic Day. Okay, so when we are going to celebrate the Republic Day, we are going to celebrate January 26th. January 26th. Got my points? It's the Republic Day on January 26th. Understood all of you, my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, dear all students. And then further here we are going to write, okay, in January, how many days of the January? Means January is 31 days. Okay, so 30 day of the January. So first of all we are going to write that method, days in January. Got my points on, my dear students? Means January is 31 minus how many days, my dear students? 26. We have to write as like that, 31 minus how many days over there, dear all students? 31 minus 26 is equal to how many days over there? There are 5 days. 5 days. Okay, dear all, you have to write with me 5 days. Understood all of you? Note down this term in your book, dear. And then after further, my dear all students, a second, days in February. Okay, days in February. So we have to write here as like the days in February. Got my points? How many days on February? If leap year is not over there, so there is a 28 days. Okay, so 28 minus 20. 28 minus 2020 is equal to how many, my dear students? 8 days. 28 minus 20 is equal to 8 days. Got my points? All of you note down this answer in your book, dear all. Okay, so means we have to do here what? 20 plus 5. So how many days over there? 20 plus 5 is equal to 25 days. Understood all, dear students? Okay, so now you have to write the answer. What, my dear students, what you have to write? There are 25 days 25 days from Republic Day to February 20. Okay, dear. Note down the answer, dear, in your book. Do fast. Start writing, all my dear students. There are 25 days from Republic Day to February 20th. Got my points, all dear students? Do fast. I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. You have to write a full method, all my dear students. What you have to do? You have to write the full method, all my dear, in your book. Do fast. Means third question. Question number 3C. Then we will move on to question number 3, my dear students. Where we will move on question number 3C. My points also. First of all, before we will move on, note down the answer, all dear students. Do fast, all my dear students. Then after I am going to present a further code. So all my dear students, start writing this all method in your book, dear. Okay. So then now I am going to present a third question. Okay. But before starting third question, again I am going to repeat why I am taking a 20 days. So in whole month, February month is 20 days. So 20 minus 8 is equal to how many, my dear students? 28 minus 20 is equal to 8 days. But we are not going to take a 20. We are not going to take a 8. Okay. February 1 February till we have to take a 20. See here the February 20. So that's why I am going to take the how many days? That's why I am going to take, my dear students, 1 to 20 February, means 1 to 20 days. Got my points, all dear students? Note down these things, dear, in your book. Do fast. Compulsory, you have to write the full method. And then here, my dear students, I am going to present a third question. Here is name of the one girl. Monica joined a computer course that started on the 5th April, April 5th, and got over on the May 10th. How long was the course? How long was the course? Monica joined the computer course that started on April 5th and got over on May 10th. How long was the course? Got my points all? Monica joined a computer course that started on April 5th and got over on May 10th. How long was the course? So what here we have to do? We have to write as like that. First, April 5th. The 5th April to how many days in April? April has how many days, my dear students, in April month? April month 30 or 31 days. In April we have 30 days. Okay, so 30 minus 5 is equal to how many days on April? 25 days. Okay, so days in April, so that is 25 days. Okay, first point. Then after the second point is what over there? Then after the second point is over there, the days of May 10th. So 1st May to 10th May. So it's 10 days. Days in May is equal to how many days, my dear students? 10 days. Okay, plus 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. Okay, what we have to do here? 25 plus 10 is equal to how many, my dear students? 35 days. Understood all, dear students? Note down the answer in your book. I hope you all are understood. And then after, answer is what? There are there are 35 days. There are how many days? 35 days from April 5th to May 10th. May 10th. May 10th. Note down the answer, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear. You have to write the all things. You have to keep it in mind, the all things in your book, dear. And compulsory you have to note down the question and answer also in your book. Okay, today is your homework. What? Today is your homework, my dear student. This all three sum you have to write in your fair book also and rough book also. Where you have to write? You have to write in your fair book also, in rough book also. Do fast, all my dear students. Do fast. We have to move on where? We have to move on further. Where, all my dear students? Question number 3 in next session. Got my points? We have to move on. Question number 3 next session. So do fast, all dear students. Okay, and before starting the answer, you have to think about the month. What you have to think about month? In this given month, how many days will come in this given month? How many days will come on the given month? So in given month has 30 days or 31 days. If February is given, so in February 28 or 29 days. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much, my dear students, for watching this video. Thank you, all of you.